What? Yeah, man. Of the world, it's not a plan. You just watch what going on now. Carefully. A franchise. The choosing one. The 10-star general. You don't know what go already. When I come for represent. A full effecting one. You don't know what go. When we load up. Aim up. Crank up. Drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing then. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch this. Are the most electrifying one on YouTube entertainment business. What? Yeah, nation people. My sister, things are get crazy right now. It come like anytime you want some attraction right now. All you have to do, I call vybz Kartel name. Because I see Mavado, the gully god, do him show. And him say big up Gaza Nation. And him say world boss so free. And you know that go. Me not understand what he mean when him say you know that go. So me not know if he mean like when the world boss drop a road, him and the world boss are gonna run the place. Or is it he saying that, yo, when the world boss drop a road, him and him are gonna go back to clashing thing. Me don't know if that him a say, but right now, I not tell Gully God say him can't get no hit in a dance hall. I not gonna tell him that. That would be really out of order. You see what I say? I not gonna tell him that. But I say for the last 13 years, vybz Kartel they are prison. I not really see Gully God create that type of impact there. The last hit I think him get, I think it's a collaboration. If I'm not lying. You see what I say? But what I say differently still. If you go wait for vybz Kartel for come a road, for hot up your career, that simple mean a joke thing. Me not even know. Me don't know what to say. Because me can tell anybody this. When the world boss free, me not think him have the time what no want for no clashing business and no forward business. You see what I say? You have to remember the world boss stay in a prison, you know, my brother. And get big billboard hit, you know. I know the world not see him perform them shit there yet, you know. So me not know how it a go. When Gully God has said that, because me know the world boss now go have no time for him. He probably don't even have no time for himself. Because right now from the world boss tree, you know, it's a straight international collab. No joke thing not there about it. The amount of international artists supposed to fly down for them collab. It now go normal. First thing, him a go in a too much demands. Are the highest demands this him a go ever in a. You see what I say? Coming from Rasclad, coming from prison. No joke shit not there about it, nation people. No lollipop thing not there about him a go in a. The demands him a go in a. You never ever see it yet, my brother. No joke thing not there about it. Him not go have that time there, my brother. For look for Mavado now, nobody at all, my brother. You see what I say? Yeah, which is right. Because no care what I go say about clashing. And them things that it will make them eat food or whatever and them shit there. A bigger food out there for him eat. A platinum and blood clot more gold and them shit there. The G I gotta run down. You see what I say? Not even run down. I gotta forward to him. That's all big the demands is. What is he I gotta have? So I don't think him have no time for no lollipop thing. Because what the world boss have to prove locally again, say. Talk the truth no man. The man not zero the blood clot game locally, my brother. How much time? You know what I mean? So that he must come back and fight for local spot. The world boss name Mr. Dancehall, you know, my brother. That can't change, you know. No joke shit not there about it, you know. One of the greatest dancehall artists in our history, you know. Him do some remarkable thing, you know, and do something that have never been done before, you know. Like in a prison for 13 years and still relevant in a dancehall, you know, my brother. Oh, him do that, me no even blood clot no in a dog. You see what I say? It take magic and genie for do them type of ass clot move there, you know. Because enough people they out the road and can't do that, you know. Included Mavado, you know. And that I no disrespect, you know, that I just the fuck, you know, the living truth, you know. Mavado not dominate the place, you know. From the world boss gone to prison, you know. Until now, you know. There ain't no domination, you know, my brother. A popcorn, you know. With some huge collaboration, you know. Sign with OV, you know. I will see sense here, you know. But the collaboration, them never sparks like that, you know. I want to see the Ross Cloud American, them are skilly them each champion, you know. And skilly I do it, you know, my brother. Where is Mavado, my brother? And all of the artists, them who are talk about them tough, my brother. So, what you want to say? Me no know. Me no know. But we're going to ask some real question. Is it fair for say when the world boss go in a prison? Because me just go off of what Mavado I said. And I don't know exactly what I mean, but I question it, you see me? Both ways. So, I say if it took the world boss for going to prison, then, and come back 13 years after, that I will get Mavado relevant, my brother. I don't have a blood clot understand. That a joke. You see what I said? That a living gimmicks thing. Yo, nation people, I don't know. It come like anytime you want. In the spotlight. Especially on social media. I think all you have to do is just call the world boss name. Because this is a living fuckery. The world boss there in a prison. And Mavado said, the G is so free and you know that go. So what happened to now? How it go now? What go on now? What stop you? Me don't know what stop you, my brother. You know what go. What you talking about? Dog, no more man now go ride off of the world boss name them way there, my brother. Off your blood clot, look at vibes and look at Addy, you know. It can't be no gimmicks thing and a lollipop thing, nation people. It have to be look at vibes or look at Addy. When Mavado say can't fucking work. So I don't know if him have it in mind say when the world boss drop a road, him and him go do this chat against each other and it go back there, so. No, remember before the world boss go to prison, it not even was there, my brother. You run from the world boss, it was just the world boss alone and run the blood clot place till the people start complaining, my brother. All 5 songs on the chart one time and all them bumper ass clot there. Where you there? You never do nothing like that. You run from the channel from the last man standing. So I don't know how. No. You see what I say? And furthermore, from the world boss going to prison and create this it after bumper clot, it. Till all fever go sell all gold and all them bumper ass clot there. Do you really think the world boss have time for that, my brother? That are for young artists, my brother. What does a bust out and I make them name and them mark in a dance hall. You see what I deal with? That time the past away and gone already, man. A modern technology around shit right now. And more gold and platinum the world boss are go offer. Other type of demands them are go inner. Other type of them type of people them are go associate himself with. I can't no blood clot locally. So I don't know where Mavado get at where him really say. You know what I mean? Or where him think in his brain. Because whatever him think in his brain, if you talk about, you know that go. Vybz kartel there a prison and you free. You're supposed to mash up the ground, my brother. Anywhere at all, my brother. You're supposed to mash up where I say. So that mean, you know, if the way you owe me, I think what you mean, you know. That means what I say. When Vybz kartel go to prison with your career in him on. Because after so it look, you know. So when him come out, you know what that go. Him after it gone with your career, my brother. So your career in a prison right now with the cartel. I saw you make it look, or I saw you make it sound, my brother, when you look on it from an acute angle. That's how it look. It look like you've career there in a bumbo clot prison with Vybz kartel, Mavado. I saw you make it look, and nobody said that, you know, you come on and assess certain things, you know. So how you look on it? Me no know. It come like Yeah, say, your career there in a prison. And when Bumbuckler Vybz Kartel come on road, it a go come out back. Mavado, a big song you have to use to do that, and everybody know that, my brother. I can't Vybz Kartel, my brother. I have a big song. I don't know what hold you back from drop big song right about now. I don't know what really hold you back. But if at the world boss you wait upon 13 years now, I live in games thing and joke thing you're there upon. You see what I deal with? I don't tell you now already, people. Any highlight them want right now, all them have to do, I just call the Bumbuckler world boss name. You see what I say? For them name they all over social media. But guess what? You know what the general, the 10 star one I represent. A Gaza way, they ain't no other way. Me tell you now already, the world boss thing gone first class, long time. You see what I say? Him not have nothing more for prove locally. What? Big up the whole of Federal Entertainment. Big up the whole of Jungle, the whole of Rima, the whole of Jonestown, the whole of Rosetown, the whole of Federal, the whole of Hanek Garden, the whole of Trenchtown. What? 10 star. Oh.